yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you. Extra makeup on work. We all feel it too, we know you're hurt. And I know some time will pass before you know what's real. And I can't change the way you feel. But oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurts you again. Well, you can't wait till it's too late. How much longer will you take? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. Won't you find your new surroundings with the man who loves you so? The man I know will treat you like you're worth your weight in gold. 'Cause oh, what a way to spend a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you again. He'll do it again, again and again.
Jack.
Hold on to the hand of self-destruction. I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago. Still insane while I smoke this cigarette. My aching body feels better still. What do you do when you pick up my guitar and too much on your plate when I need to escape? Everything will be better when I find a way. People leave, do they ever think about you? I'd say if I ever came back again. Well, I still wonder and I miss you. I know I'll ask you when I see you again, my friend. What do you do when you get to be? Just pick up my guitar. Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Everything will be better when I find a way. Oh. What do you do when you pick up a guitar? Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Every little thing will be better when I find a way.
Closed off. We'll go on with the last trail. If it's closed off, we'll go to the next one.
Not long ago, good love was hard to find. Not long ago, we were the losing kind. Won't hang our head in sorrow the way we done before, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for. When you're up all through the night, to darkness we'll go to greet the morning light. Won't waste away tomorrow, we're stepping out the door, 'cause you're the one that I've been searching for.